The iOS 26.3 update is shaping up to be a significant early 2026 release for iPhone users, building on Apple's iOS 26 foundation with new features, improved interoperability, and strengthened security. One of the most noteworthy additions is a new Transfer to Android tool that allows users to move photos, messages, apps, contacts, and other key data wirelessly to an Android device, a major shift in cross-platform support likely influenced by competitive and regulatory pressures. In the European Union, the update also introduces notification forwarding to third-party wearables and proximity pairing for accessories, expanding compatibility beyond Apple-branded devices to satisfy regulatory requirements. Under the hood, iOS 26.3 continues Apple's focus on security by integrating enhanced background security improvements, which deliver protections for system components like Safari and WebKit between major updates. The update also prepares support for end-to-end encrypted RCS messaging, helping bridge the privacy gap in cross-platform texting between iPhone and Android devices. Additionally, users may notice small refinements such as reorganized weather wallpapers and under-the-hood modem firmware tweaks that improve connectivity stability. Expected to launch publicly in late January 2026, iOS 26.3 aims to enhance usability, device compatibility, and overall system security without overhauling the core iOS experience.